Janet Braam, Wiess Professor of BioSciences at Rice University. I was in college when I decided that I wanted to become a scientist. I started off as a psychology major, wanting to understand how human behavior works, but eventually decided that that was too complicated and maybe we needed to understand how animals behave first. So that's how I first got into zoology as my major in undergraduate. But after I looked into what it would be like to be a scientist studying animal behavior, I decided that that problem was too complicated and you really couldn't get to the answer unless you looked at a more simpler, or at least a finer level of the problem. So from there I thought that I wanted to study more about physiology, and then from there cell biology, and I became somebody who really studies how genes work and how genes control cellular behavior. So I'm really a reductionist at heart. I would say that my parents influenced me quite a bit about my education and eventual career. My parents made it clear very early on that they saw a lot of value and importance in getting a good education, and they would often take me and my siblings to a variety of museums, including all the different kinds of science museums. And from that, I think I gained an appreciation and a value for scientists and what they do. And so that, I think, is one influence on me to become a scientist. I would say that I have really wonderful colleagues at Rice, and I still get a lot of support and help in dealing with challenges through my faculty colleagues and also friends that I have in the Rice administration. I think Rice University is a really collegial place, and that really helps everyone to, I think, reach their aspirations in their careers. As a parent, I think the only answer I can give to what is a most rewarding moment in my life is watching my kids reach their goals. Right? I mean, when your children succeed in their aspirations, when they make that progress that makes them happy, it's the most rewarding thing I think any mom could ever feel. So there's no question, but that makes me feel very rewarded and happy. My advice to young women interested in being a scientist is that they should go for this career. It's a wonderful career. It's always interesting. You get to be among interesting people doing fascinating things. Science is also a great career because you can make a difference in the world. You can make the world a better place through your discoveries in science. And so it's a very rewarding career, and I recommend it to everyone.